Hey there, future techies. I can't believe I've missed this. Probably my all-time favourite Google app, Google Calendar. I started using Google Calendar back 10 or 12 years ago when the Tech Doctor was an on-the-road IT support business, looking after businesses and homes all around the eastern suburbs of Melbourne and out into the Yarra Valley. It allowed me to run multiple calendars, one for each service technician and one for the office, all synced up so that the office knew where each of the technicians was at any time in case they had to send them on another job. At the same time, it allowed me to track my personal and family life all in the one place too. Now, today, it's that last part, where Bernie and I and each of the two girls have our own calendars so that everybody knows who is going where and when we can plan things. We have a saying at home, if it's not in the calendar, it's not happening. Here's a sample of what a fairly typical week looks like for our family, covering everything from morning gym sessions, work, evening netball and other sporting activities, as well as any other after school and after work activities. But don't get scared, it's all relatively easy to set up and maintain. Head on over to google.com, then click on the Rubik's Cube and then select the calendar icon. This is my blank testing account, so by default all I have is my own calendar with my name, birthdays, reminders, tasks, and a localized Australian holidays calendar. To create another calendar, I click on the plus icon and select Add Calendar. Then fill in the details, click Create Calendar, and it's there. But a calendar is not so useful if I'm the only one that can see it. So let's share this calendar with another user. To do that, we hover over the calendar itself and then click on the three dots menu that appears at the end of the calendar name. From here, we can change the color of the calendar entries and also go to a whole bunch of settings and sharing options. I clicked on Settings and Share, and I've got this giant page that I've broken up into 3 different screenshots for you. 1, 2, and 3. There are lots of options here, but the powerful one that I use is to share the calendar with specific people. I click on Add People and type in the email address, and then I specify the permission level. I have the option of Free Busy, See Event Details, Edit Event Details, and Edit Details and Manage Sharing options. I usually go with See All or Make Changes depending on who it is, and click Send. Now to show you what it looks like, I've done the reverse. I've gone into my personal calendar and shared it back to this account, but with only the Free Busy option. This is a great option for people who need to see when you're busy so that they can arrange a meeting, but they don't need to know what it is all of those entries are actually about. There are also various other views. Day view, month view, year view, schedule view, and 4-day view. But I personally prefer the weekly view most of the time. If you log into your iPhone or Android phone with your Google account, in the default calendar app, you'll also see all of your calendars displayed there as well. This will allow your phone to alert you when an appointment is due, and you can also add new events so that they synchronize back to everybody's calendars, usually almost instantly. I think that's enough for today. I hope that was useful. It's certainly something I've lived by for more than 10 years, and I wouldn't have it any other way. The Tech Doctor is here to help you become your own technician and navigate the technology maze. There's some more videos you might want to see here and up here, and down here is a subscribe button where you can get notified of new videos as they come out. And up here is a Facebook group that you can join to ask your questions and hopefully get them answered. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.